Hello everyone and welcome to Pre-Bill with William All in India. So here is the disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So here are the US and Asian market updates. Yesterday, US market has closed on positive note, Dow by 0.40%, S&P 500 up by 0.96%, Nasdaq has closed on positive note by 1.30%. Even European market has also closed on positive note. DAX, FTSE, CAC has closed on positive note by 0.38, 0.75, and 0.68 respectively. Asia, Kospi has closed on negative note by 0.03%, and Nikkei has closed on positive note by 0.76%. Shanghai Composite closed on positive note by 1.28%, and Hang Seng has closed on positive note by 0.09%. So here are the news. US market is higher yesterday as the rally led by technology shares. Japan loses its spat as world third largest economy as it slips its into recession. Japan's quarter four GDP down by 0.40% YOY versus estimate of 1.4% rise. Hindustan Unilever in talks with Andhra Pradesh government to collaborate on palm oil production. Utkarsh Finance, a small brought bank board to meet to evaluate reverse merger with holding companies Utkarsh Core Invest. Now the earnings news. Uh, the Muthoot Finance report quarter three earnings net profit up by 13.9% uh, at 1027.30 crore versus 901.70 crores YOY, and NII up 12% to 1906 CR. Gland Pharma report quarter three earnings net profit down 17.3% and revenue up 64.7%. Sun TV Network report quarter three earnings net profit up 6.8% at 453.9 crore versus 425 crores YOY, and revenue up 4.1% at 923.2 crores versus 886.9 crore YOY. National Fertilizers report quarter three earnings net profit down 72.8% at 150.9 crore versus 554 crore YOY, and revenue down 25.2 crores at 7,580.9 crore versus 10,134.4 crores YOY. Dishman Carbogen reports quarter three net loss of 59.6 crores versus a profit of 47 crores YOY, and revenue up 1.8% at 651.1 crores versus rupees 639.8 crores YOY. NMDC reports quarter three earnings net profit up 62.6% at 1469.7 crores versus 903.9 crores YOY, and revenue up 45% to 5410 crores. Now the derivatives data. So the PCR stand at 1.2. Maximum call open interest was seen at 22,000, which amounts to 2.28 lakhs. Whereas next one was 22,200, which amounts to 1.49 lakhs. Maximum put open interest was seen at 21,000, which amounts to 1.94 lakhs, followed by 21,500, which amounts to 1.76 lakhs. Okay, so this is the daily chart of Nifty, and we have seen from the past 1 week, or we can say that there has been. I would like to show on the chart here. So, the from past 1 weeks, or we can say from the past 2 weeks, the index has been trading in a volatile range, and it is actually trading in the range bound zone. But in this week especially, the index has started on the negative note here. and it has also breached its 21 DMA. But on the very next day, that is on Tuesday, index has reclaimed it. And yesterday we have seen that how the index has traded, because it got affected with US inflation data, which was the result when the index opened in cap down. But at the same time, after lunch or after 2 o'clock, we can say that there has been a decent recovery, which has actually brought the index in the positive territory as well. And index has got support of its 50 DMA yesterday, and it has also reclaimed its 21 DMA yesterday as well. So this was the story of the past 3 days, how the index has behaved. So now the support is actually placed around 21,500. And if you look at the resistance, there was a resistance of 21,850 to 21,900. So once this resistance is surpassed, then the next resistance would may act in at the level of 22,100 to 22,150. So once this resistance is passed, then we can expect the index to grow in the range of 22,300 to 22,500. So thank you all. That was all from our side, and thank you all for your patient listening. So thank you so much.